सीताराम 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 जय 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 सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम
यहाँ है अंदर चलते हुए हम लोग। यही है जहाँ बता रहे हैं हनुमान भरत, क्या लिखा, धनुष धारी हनुमान भरत। अभी अंदर चलते नीचे, शायद इधर से भी जाते हैं। यही है वो पुरानी जगह। पाय काढून काहीतरी घाला पायात.
महाराज जानकी जीवन स्मरण जय जय राम श्री अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड राय राजाधिराज सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु श्री ब्रह्म चैतन्य महाराज की जय 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 रघुवीर
प्रसाद है। जब हम लोग आए थे तो ये मिला था, बहुत टेस्टी होता है ये। टूर्नामेंट टाइप ऑफ होता है।
किरण मामा ए किरण मामा फोटो काढ नाही फोटो उभा कर ना उभा तू घर उंच आहे ना चांगला मागून कर लांबून काढ म्हणजे तू बरोबर आजी दादी जरा उधर खसको दादी दादी दुबई वाली दादी है
बोलते भी जाइए ना कुछ। सीताराम सीताराम
बच्चों अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं परिक्रमा करने मंदिर के चारों तरफ, ठीक है। ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं, दिस इज द कॉरिडोर वेयर वी डू परिक्रमा ऑफ द टेम्पल।
क्या है यहाँ परिक्रमा करें? प्रसाद बनते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रसाद है।
See, you can see here 5 bowls are kept with different types of prasad, and each bowl has different prasad with different taste, and it is very nutritious. You can see people, ladies are taking prasad. Okay, so these 5 have different type of prasads.
गाढ़ा गाढ़ा देना नीचे से थोड़ा थोड़ा।
क्या बात है?
अलग अलग कर लो, देखिए टेस्ट अलग होगा तब लेंगे। गाढ़ा गाढ़ा नीचे से देना।
मम्मी इतलाच आहे, मी कधी कधी तिकडे येतो इतलं हे काय त्यांनी घातलेले निशाण घातला अजून कोणाला आहे का मला बघून घ्या आपल्या चला मी आता
वो उधर वाला सेम नहीं है।
और ये स्वीट है, बाकी सब खट्टे हैं। ये ज़्यादा स्वीट है।
एक ही बार परिक्रमा करी, कई बार करें?
एक बार
और अभी ऐसे पकड़े रहो, अभी बाद में दूंगा। ये तो बता रहे नया वाला है। हम लोग नीचे अंडरग्राउंड में गए थे, बहुत अच्छा ऐसे इधर से इधर मुँह करके है। वहाँ है क्या? चलो देखो।
नीचे क्या है?
पूछो
पंडित जी, नीचे क्या है इसके?
मंदिर है ना? हम लोग अंदर अंडरग्राउंड गुफा में जा रहे हैं। वहाँ पर वो यहाँ नहीं, वो पुराने वाले में मिलेगा। वो पुराने वाले में है शायद।
क्या चीज़?
नीचे उतर करके इस साइड में वो इल्यूजन है, वो रोटेट करती है। आप अगर एकदम ध्यान से देखेंगे तो रामचंद्र जी और वो घूम रहे हैं। और नहीं होगा, बस यही था।
अच्छा, यहाँ से सीढ़ी ऊपर भी जा रहे हैं?
पता नहीं, उसी रास्ते से आओ, खो जाए पता चले भूल भलैया में।
you can see, this is Shri Bharat Hanuman Milan Mandir. Okay, here two idols are there in which Bharat ji and Hanuman ji, they are just meeting each other, they are hugging each other. Okay, and here the steps are there which are going down, and there if we will go down, then there is one more temple which is just under this, means you can say at the basement of this main temple. At the basement also there is a temple, and I'm just moving in the corridor, and now we have come to the main temple, one more temple which is here. And here you can see, here also this is Hanuman ji. Okay, then this is Bharat ji, and this is called Charan Paduka Darshan, where Lord Bharat has kept the Charan Paduka of Lord Ram, and he was looking after the kingdom from this place only. Okay, this is just inside, and now again we are going out of this, moving through the same steps. Okay, this is the corridor which is at the basement, and now we are again moving up. You can see the stairs, these stairs are going up. I have come out of that, and same I have at the gate of that Shri Bharat Hanuman Milan Mandir. Okay.
बनाना हो, कुछ बना। भरत हनुमान।
चिल्ड्रन, मैम इसको उस तरफ करिए।
वीडियो चल रहा है अपना, चल रहा है।
Children, you can see this is the place which is made for Havan, and you can see the construction is going on. It is not yet made, though the Havan Kund is made in the center. Okay, but still the final construction is going on for a very beautiful Havan Kund. But inside you can see that this is the place which is meant for Havan. Okay. So children, we have shown you the new temple. Now this is the ancient temple, and you can see a very big banyan tree. Okay, at the entrance only, this is the entrance. Okay, this is the entrance, and then beside the entrance there is a very big banyan tree, and beside banyan tree there is a place where Bharat ji has done tapasya. Okay, and this place is known as Bharat Gufa. Okay, you can see it's written Bharat Gufa. And here the idol of Bharat ji is there inside the temple. You can see. Okay, though the door is locked, we cannot go inside. And this is the campus. Okay, it's a very ancient campus, surrounded by trees and greenery. This is Amla tree, and this is the old temple of Bharat ji. And see, it's written तपस्थल योगीराज भरत जी का प्राचीन मंदिर, नंदीग्राम भरत कुंड अयोध्या। दार्शनिक स्थल महाराजा विक्रमादित्य द्वारा स्थापित श्री रामचंद्र जी का चरण पादुका, भरत गुफा, राम भरत मिलाप, बाण से गिरे हनुमान, नंदीश्वर महादेव, भरत हनुमान वट वृक्ष मिलन, श्री श्री 1008 श्री राम मंगलदास जी के कृपा पात्र शिष्य महंत श्री हनुमान दास जी. Okay, so this is and here नटराज, you can see नटराज कला संस्कृति मंच, भजन संध्या, जागरण, भक्ति संगीतमय, रामायण पाठ, सुंदरकांड, लोक गायन, लोक नृत्य, कवि सम्मेलन, झांकी तथा अन्य संगीतमय रंगारंग कार्यक्रम. It is the advertisement of some Pandit Ambarish Chandra Pandey. He has put it here. And this is, it's known as Kalki Darbar, Shri Kalki Darbar. Okay, Kalki Darbar. It's a temple of goddess. You can see so many pilgrims from different parts. They are from Maharashtra. They have come here. Okay. So children, we are just, this is the back side of this temple. Okay, you can see a long courtyard sort of thing. And then this is पुष्प समाधि श्री सद्गुरुवाय नमः, अनंत श्री पूज्यपाद परम हंस राम मंगल दास जी महाराज, गोकुल भवन अयोध्या. So his samadhi is there. He is a mahant from Gokul Bhavan Ayodhya and his samadhi is made over here. Okay, this is also a place. And then so bachcho, this is the Yajna where Yajna is being performed. Earlier I have shown you that is the new one which is going to be constructed newly, but this is the old one. Okay, this is the Yajna, and then beside this there is the place where it is said that yahan pe is jagah pe जब बाण मारा था हनुमान जी को तो he fell down from here. तो यहाँ पे ऊपर on the top it's written बाण से गिरे हनुमान. So this is the place where when Bharat ji has shot him, so he fell down at this place. Bharat ji when he shot Hanuman ji with the arrow, so he fell down at this place. Okay, and you can see this is Nandishwar Mahadev. This is Nandishwar Mahadev temple, lordship with this whole family. And then again this area is surrounded by so many trees, plants. Okay, this is the overall view of this place. This is the overall view of this place. See children, this is पोस्टर विच इज बीइंग पुट अप हियर. श्री भरत जी का प्राचीन मंदिर का जीर्णोद्वार तथा वर्तमान श्री भरत जी की नव मूर्ति की संस्थापना दिनांक 14 दिसंबर 1964 को सार्वजनिक निर्माण विभाग फैजाबाद प्रांतीय खंड के कर्मचारियों तथा ठेकेदारों की उदार सहायता से पूरा हुआ. One more thing is there. See what is written here. योगीराज श्री भरत जी का प्राचीन मंदिर. यह मंदिर राजा विक्रमादित्य के द्वारा बनवाया गया है. ओके, सौजन्य श्री कल्की बाल वाटिका फाउंडेशन, 1903, चांदनी चौक, दिल्ली. So welcome back again. Children, now we have come to a place. This is around 50 meters away from the main temple. This place is the Bharat Kund. Okay, and this is the place where which I am showing you. It is a भारत सरोवर की नित्य आरती का शुभारंभ दिनांक 13 दिसंबर 2017 से. तो 2017 from 2017 the आरती of this सरोवर is being done. Okay, and this is the place from where this is being done, and the time of the aarti is 5:30. You can see this place. You can see this place. It's written Shri Charan Paduka Nitya Aarti साय 5:30. And this is the Charan Paduka. The Charan Paduka is made of, and the Aarti is being done. And in front of the Charan Paduka, this pond, kund is there. But you can see lot of fungus and duckweeds are there in that this pond. Okay, which makes the ponds very dirty. The water is not looking like water, it's all looking like it's covered with red color mud, but it's actually the duckweeds. Okay, this is a very big pond, but it is all covered with duckweeds. You can see it's a very huge pond.
Area is more than 5 feet.
Okay, you can see this is the surrounding area. This is a room for Aarti, a very big tree. This is a very big people tree. And then you can see few people have come here to visit. This is a place for the Aarti. Now I'm coming down. Though the cleaning of this is going on, you can see some of this duckweeds people have taken out from there, from the pond, but still this is negligible because more than that is there in the water. See, this is a place from this side, and these are the though it is well maintained, but the pond water is very dirty. And these are the places you can see. Okay, at that places some houses type of things are made. This is the road. So this is the Bharat Kund. Okay.